Hey Tony, do you think you could elaborate on the cost estimates? I still don't see how it costs so much.
Yeah, sure, but you won't find anywhere that you can cut more of.
Corey, we went over this. Just because you did not make expensive upgrades in the firmware does not mean that the GPS is cheap, though it performs as if it were.
That's not my problem. Though I don't understand why Ed would ask us to compromise on the speed. Now we're stuck with a slow, expensive product.
Well, we could have made it faster and even more expensive. How are these other companies able to build these GPS for their prices? Do we expect too high of a profit margin?
We are just following the directives laid out by management. We clearly have to change something. Has this project gotten out of our hands?
No, Tony, we can get this to work. I don't think we should be trying to market Ariel next to Birdseye though. Maybe we should use the higher price to our advantage. Sell the GPS as the better, though more expensive, alternative to Birdseye.
You know what that's asking, right? A complete overhaul of the system? Our GPS barely stands next to Birdseye.
Alice, you might be onto something.
What? You can't be serious. Longtime TerraCog customers are coming and purchasing Birdseyes? Yeah, but no one is buying the TerraCog models. They think these models are old-fashioned simply because they don't have the color screens? Well, okay. Well, we're actually designing a color model as we speak. In your opinion, though, how much do you think we should sell it for? Alright, okay, I see. So most people specifically say $450 would be too much since the Birdseye is cheaper. So, a premium color model for about $425, would that make sense? Okay, alright, I'll let others know that $425 seems about right. Thanks for your input.
Wow, have you guys seen the new Birdseye update?
Yeah, Alan, I noticed their device performance has been updated lately.
I agree. Even if our design is satisfactory now, what's stopping Birdseye from quickly adjusting their product to undercut our own? Perhaps this wasn't really approached correctly.
We should have built in the cycling and fitness features against the company's desires. Playing catch-up is not going to get us anywhere.
You might be onto something. Taking all that we know from our current design, we could restructure it and adding more features. I think we can get a new prototype in another 6 months.
Yeah, this makes sense. No good can come from launching a potentially underperforming and overpriced product.
Perhaps we should be looking into other areas that have yet to be explored in.
I feel our primary objective should be the construction of the next revolutionary addition to GPSs. This will set us up for near future markets and get the team thinking about all the possibilities of a GPS. While we are creating this new product, we should also focus on regaining market share immediately. I am not suggesting we do this with Ariel, but instead by utilizing our product already on the market. The additional market share will help fund the company's efforts as well as help establish a larger consumer base to be interested in the upcoming GPS. And finally, the company must ensure that it has revenue to be made in the long term.
It takes forever to acquire satellite signal.
The software is like something from 10 years ago.
Birdseye is still more user-friendly.
Birdseye lets us save favorites. Why doesn't Ariel?
Our current top-of-the-line TerraCog GPS is $375, which is pretty expensive considering Garmin satellite image version costs only $20 more. Selling our current best product at a cheaper price will attract our customers back. More customers would mean more market share and more revenue.
I think we should be expanding our product range.
Alan, which areas do you think TerraCog should be looking at?
My team has been looking into making apps for smartphones. We are also investing our time in military application. Actually, there are also ongoing investment in cycling and fitness applications.
That's amazing. We definitely cannot keep selling this.
Yeah, Alan, expanding our product range will go and help cover costs for previous projects. My team will be very excited to try selling a new product. They're getting kind of tired of selling this product.
Check out the new product by TerraCog. I didn't even know a GPS could have so many cool functions.
Yeah, so cool. I'm definitely buying this as soon as it comes to the market. Everyone's been talking about it.
Ho sbagliato tante volte ormai che lo so già. Che oggi quasi certamente sto sbagliando su di te.